Hi everyone, my name is Key Johnson. I'm going to do a quick little 5-minute tutorial. The first half of the video, I'll go over your back office, and the second half, I'll show you how to post on Craigslist. So when you log in, this is the home status page. Over here, you can add your photo if you want. You're on the Zazz 60 site. This is your ID number right here. It'll be posted like right here. Your referral link here, referral status info, messages from admin. The advertiser offers, matches up above, order status above, and customer service above. You are now on the 60 site, which pays $60 plus a 25% bonus or 15 bonus, which adds to the 60, giving you a total of 75. More info right here, payment options, how it works, etc., and you can log off. Our social media icons right here, and then this is our email address right here in the upper corner. Now, if you want to post on Craigslist, just go to craigslist.org. You have cities, states, Canada, and worldwide. So let's say I'm in Atlanta. Come over here. You'll see Atlanta at the top. These are the categories: community service, discussion forums, housing for sale, jobs, gigs, resume. What you want to do is come to account, and you want to create a Craigslist account. Right here it says create an account, put in your email, and verify it. Once you are logged in, you're going to post in either jobs or gigs. Jobs are more expensive, $25, $35, $45, depending on the city. Gigs are anywhere from $7 to $10. So you're going to come to where it says in green right here, post an ad. You're going to go to choose the location, city in Atlanta. That's fine. You're going to do gig offered. You're going to hire somebody. You're going to do the computer gig, and then you're going to have a pre-written ad out already. So we're going to go to my ad and customer service. Each ad, I need you to remix it. Don't copy and paste verbatim. Mix it up a little bit. So this is my ad down here, right? So we're going to take this title and copy it. We're going to edit a little bit. Maybe take out this part. We'll probably say big name companies or big name brands. How about that? And then I'll put Atlanta, the zip code, and then I'll just take the description. I'll come down here and I can either write my own ad or I can just copy. But it's important if you copy the ad, you change up the beginning and the bottom, the top and the bottom. So I would say, welcome, please read entire ad before responding. Something like that. That way, Craigslist won't flag the ad. If they see the same ad repeated, they might look at it as spam. Thank you for reading. Okay, so the top is now different and the bottom. The pay, I would just put $300, $750 a week. You want the CL mail relay. Only reason it's asking for emails because I'm not logged in. But if I was logged in, I wouldn't see this. It would just be automatically CL Craigslist mail relay. Hit continue. And we're just about done. All right, hit continue. And then this is where you add a couple of photos, hit done. And on the next page, it's going to ask you to put in your card info to pay for the ad. Your ad will go live. And let's say you are at Atlanta. You post in gigs, computer. As a viewer, your ad will be at the very top. Within 15 minutes, your ad will go live. And then as more people post their ads above you, your ad will fall. But your ad will be at the top for quite a bit of time. And then it'll stay on this first page for days, and you'll get calls. So that's the tutorial on how to navigate your Zazz Freebies back office and post on Craigslist.